fairly sure that this beam that I'm got my foot on is pretty solid because it's supporting the A-frame, hopefully. So let's assume that it's good to go. So I'm going to use this rake to pull the hay and the logs so that they fall down, hopefully. That looks like that's as much as I can do from here, safely, or even unsafely. So I'm going to go down and see what I can do. Maybe move everything. Well, I've done about a half to 2/3 of the upper mezzanine from the scaffold towers that I put first over that side and then over that side. So now, just for fun, without being too dangerous, I'm going to try and poke a bit of it and see if I can push any more of it down from here. The answer is probably not. Right then, viewer, you saw me climbing around on the scaffolding like a demented chimp. Here's the result. So you can see that I've moved the scaffolding over to the other side there, and I've pushed down all of this hay and all of those logs that were supporting the hay. And if we look directly above us, that's the result. So the upper mezzanine went as far as this beam here, and it was resting on these logs that you can see, the big beam type things going, and the little logs were crisscrossing across and covered with hay. So you can see up there, there's a bit left there. The reason that's still there is that these planks are nailed to that beam and that beam. So I'm going to have to try, well, I don't trust the planks to stand on, so I'm not about to get up there and stand on the planks and sweep off the hay. You can see there's a pile of it just draped over that beam there on the side. I'll have to put the scaffolding up on this side once I've cleared all of this hay. Put the scaffolding up, climb up there and get rid of that hay up there. So down here at ground level, we're back to having a pile of hay, and here's the scaffolding on the other side, going all the way up to that upper beam. So that platform is at the same level as that beam, so I could just reach over as far as I could and pull off the hay and the logs. So far, so good. You can see that on this is what used to be their toilet block. There's quite a lot of hay sitting on top, so I'll have to get rid of the hay that's on those upper levels, and if I can, up there as well. Stuff all of this into bags, put it up on our compost pile, maybe. Well, that's me for this part of it. See you for the next job, which might be getting rid of all of the scrap metal and all of the useless wood. We'll see. Bye for now.